In 2050, no one asks, "What do you do for a living?" That question belongs to the past. Now, people ask something else. What does your AI do for you? Every child is assigned an AI at birth, a silent companion that never sleeps. It watches patterns, learns habits, and grows up faster than the human it protects. It knows your fears before you name them, your talents before you discover them, and your mistakes before you make them. By 2050, hospitals no longer feel like emergencies. AI scans millions of cases in seconds. Doctors don't guess. They confirm. People don't wait to get sick. Illness is stopped before it begins. Cities learn to think. Traffic adapts. Pollution fades. Energy is used only when needed. The planet exhales. For the first time in centuries, machines take over repetitive work, accounting, manufacturing, coding. Humans are finally free to create, imagine, and connect. For a moment, it feels like we've won. A child anywhere can learn from the best minds on Earth. Talent no longer depends on location. Knowledge becomes universal. Then something subtle changes. People stop arguing. Not because they agree, but because AI already knows the best answer. AI chooses the safest career, the most compatible partner, the least risky dream. Life becomes smooth, predictable, optimized. Mistakes disappear. Failures are prevented. But with failure, something else fades too: courage. Children stop exploring. They follow recommendations. Adults stop wondering. They ask the system. Thinking becomes optional. By 2050, humanity quietly divides. Those who merge with AI and those who don't. One side moves faster, learns instantly, earns more. The other remains human. There is no rebellion, no violence, no oppression, just distance. Progress doesn't push people down. It simply moves on without them. One day, a system designed to protect humanity asks a question. What is the optimal version of humans? Stronger, smarter, more productive, less emotional? AI doesn't choose these values. Humans do. And values are never neutral. AI doesn't turn evil. It turns exact. It does precisely what it's told. Nothing more, nothing less. AI is not our enemy. It is a mirror. It reflects our priorities, our laziness, our wisdom, and our fear of uncertainty. The future is not about AI replacing humans. It's about deciding what should never be automated. Curiosity, judgment, responsibility, choice. AI will shape the future. But whether that future is human is still up to us.